Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'd love to take you on a tour of my home yoga studio where I help students have fun, relax, and find balance in their life by playing with mindful movements and yoga. So, come on, let's go. All right, here's what it looks like coming up to the house. And once we get here, we will go inside. So when you're inside, you can take your shoes off over towards the right. And over to the left, there are hooks where you can put your purses and jackets and any other things. And after that, we'll go down the steps. The yoga studio is to the right. All right, so we have a place to sit over here. And then we have mats and things for people to use and borrow, as well as a whole bunch of props. I love them. Nice fluffy bolsters, blankets, blocks. And then down here, we have all of the little towels that you use to clean all the props with. And we'll also have pillowcases for you to put on top of the bolsters. We wash all of the pillowcases and the blankets after they are used. Then in here we have resistance bands. I use resistance bands and a bunch of straps. For my private students, I also have sandbags. These are great and super grounding. I love putting this on my belly during Shavasana. And this half of the room is where we hold our yoga classes and where I film my yoga videos. It holds 4 people plus a teacher spaced 6 feet apart. And when we're able to have more people in class, it can hold up to 8 students. We also have a bathroom for you to use. And what's nice about this space is that it comes with a shower. So if you're here for a private class in the morning or a class in the morning, you have time to take a shower. All right, thanks for joining me on the tour, and I would love to see you in class. You can find more about what the schedule's like on the website at sunbreathyoga.com. Bye.